She John way or painting him said or the galamsey nsuo ne dware. Only confidence crampo in herself. Say oba. We painting the name I say galamsey nsuo. Or say good chance no ne nia bom no abetena Facebook say or a journal. BB way. O man nsuo so onhuhuru ne nim e wo Facebook. Na yehu ne nipa bind ye tia obedwane obeton wuram se kusie. You make kill it two jandams. And one is coming from some two ladies be and is it sometimes I know they be a meka. Me a very nice person, oh. And sometimes I said I don't pretend. I try to stay away from things. But sometimes people take my niceness. You know, I'm a nice boy. And I'm out for my niceness. I just said, yeah, I'm a soft person. Be any nyama. But I just want to say this to your friend and I Brefo. Or any other person, I know almost coming one seven. I'm a nice person, and when I keep telling you, say, don't insinuate about me, don't talk about me, stay away from me. I mean it. I might be smiling. I might be seeing what you are doing as a joke or funny stuff. But you see, maybe I don't pay attention to a lot of things. But when I decide to pay attention to you, you might either commit suicide or you might not be happy again for the rest of your life. And this is a very wonderful day. My person is sending a friendly advice to Nanaya Brefo. When I'm who so we any pakakra. You know, this whole thing of Yankasanti nipa, Yankasanchi nipa, Yenye say, Yeme relevant, Nan from Betty Yankano. 5-10 years ago than a year Juma. It does not work again. You get it? It's immediate. Kotoje form. Let me keep it there. But the better my car, no. Brefo, stay away from my lane. No. Don't try to insinuate. Don't try to so kutia. Me who say we nipa ain't me address so no. Do ya boy be amen can answer because I have bigger plans for Mwa. Because as I see with so I don't want to talk anything. But you and I are Brefo, we are nearby. Inti. So what check him in some we are nearby. And I'm a very nice person. But when I get crazy, I get very crazy. You see, for some time now, I've decided to say I'll educate Ghanaians. I'll break down things to Ghanaians. I'll use the truth. My job, as Kevin Taylor said, protect this government with the truth. Into so what's steady for some time I don't react to things because the Ghana for penal they me power much on them ma eyeme eni nyankopon and then I may ho ban into I don't have time for unnecessary rants ne nyoma baby. I don't do that. I'm matured. Ejuma with my for years, you know, the psychological part of it, the emotional part of it, I know everything. So me pewasema and I be kind caution. When I like you, I caution you first. Because nobody on this social media in Ghana space or US space or you crazy chairman. I can use this thing to make you commit suicide. This thing called social media. So make us admit to my audio committee suicide. Make to me more. Make to me jinas my audio committee suicide. Inti, I am one person. I'm very nice. Afutuo. Insinuating and trying to bomb your kutia and say things about me. The day I will switch. The day I was switched. I only respond to people who I see as humans. Meaning responding to moi. In this way, study me, I don't respond to animals. No. I only respond to humans because at least I know so we any pankwa de ubeti the American. So when to me and I'm switching mood in the yana abua mood. And it's na ya Brefo me ba. I'm addressing you respectfully. So we are ba. So watch the things you say. Watch the insinuating. Or the insinuations. I am smarter than you. Inti, I am just being nice. Thank you very much. The next time I will come, it will be suicidal. Ubia with the right to talk to their audience. They say, we are panting, I'm single out. I'm addressing you because I see you as human. The other people I have not addressed, I don't see them as humans. And nuntina me address so I've picked you out to address you. If you force me not to see you as human, you know I can do that. And then Friday. Now, and then Friday, you see there. I'll say a teacher say, you be ku jandam. Now, you be ku jandami, also obiaye ready. Na yaji gana siwo. Let me tell you people something. Say, obi per se, or the party biba power. Right now, we are seeing a lot of people popping up on social media in the name, say, omu different from what we call bloggers, what we call vloggers. They are trying to position themselves in a certain way, say, it's fine. It's okay. They could not keep MPP in power. So with me, I don't care about how you feel or how you want people to see you or how you portray yourself, because we sitting here, we know Obia, the level of intelligence. I know Obia also a friend who me a blogger, me a Jumama radio, be na miti Facebook, minimum Obia level of intelligence. And see, I don't worry myself when you voluntarily or out of whatever you believe in, whether tribe, whether political affiliation, whether whatever you believe, say, you want to work and bring the NPP to power, it is fine with me. Me, my Ghana for my job is to protect the NDC to remain in power for the next 42 years. And I just didn't do it. I did it with facts, evidence, and I'm still doing that with facts and evidence. And see, if you want to bring the NPP back to power, stick to the basics. Because when you try to go off basics, when it comes to diplomacy, I am very good. When it comes to doing this job clean, I am better than majority of you. And when it comes to doing this job in a dirty way, I am better than all of you. That is what makes me very versatile. Because if you want to be professional, none of you can be professional than me. And if you want to go the other way, that is intimidating, that is frustrating, that is going to make you at the end of the feel like committing suicide, making your life miserable. I am the standard. And see, people should not take my diplomacy side now as weakness. No, because I want to give everybody the room to express themselves. Men are about defense. Una also attack. Come with solid attack. Because when it comes to rough, I am crazier. My message to people out there, I'm not going to respond to any animal. No, my passes are stage, My responsibility now as Kevin Taylor is to serve the people with the truth. Is to come and educate them. What Junior will say, would they attend ye able to win power? Also for attend ye win power, that's all. I have never stopped anybody from criticizing the NDC government, but what I will not allow is for people to think, say, they own the right to mislead, misinform, disinform. Never. I'm not going to allow it. And if that is the reason why majority of you people don't like me, then you people will kill yourselves. You murder yourselves, because I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. And I want to set this record straight for you people to understand. When Kevin Taylor is quiet about something, it does not mean, say, Kevin Taylor, oh, Osrobi. It is because I feel, say, Mejina Moswache, and let me see if there's something little good in you. So I've given you people the room to exhibit a little bit of their meaning. But still, you people are showing, say, you are not intelligent enough to make the issues Ghana for Dabi. Ebia NDC, I was saying for MPP, but you've not been able to do it. It's almost a year now. It is almost a year. And I'm telling you people, I am putting this there. And they have been very careful in my words and very nice in my words. Nana ya Brefo. It is simple. Stop the gaslighting. Stop the insinuation. Because me, I'm crazy. I have plans for them. And the plans, I have my own plans. But what dear, I see you as human. And I will advise you. All right. Me who story be, and my team drew my attention, said, boss, we need to kill this Jandam. Because some people deliberately do things. Mommy, I got a video. A video it was one animal and two human beings. And the human beings, you know, a year. Nana ya Brefo, any kukufu, any omni abua baku were discussing some jandam in the system. Now, mommy and kokotie, these two humans and one animal. Let's go for it. Let's move with this.
When you say the no say Bank of Ghana at the new levy aba.
Okay.
If you have no money, me ochina. Now the true me dollar account to me Ghana. Now me could year make we at 3% of that. Are you aware?
3% of Sikan on all foreign remittances.
Exactly.
Wow.
3%. No, we say foreign remittances a dorsal. Do a better gate no. Obeje. Why no could there? More Ghana for money. Only Ghana for you. And call Bank of Ghana.
I was spending money transfer, and I'm now getting it.
Exactly. One call Parliament and the Ghana for Akokawasem. If you say, well, question Bank of Ghana, Anna, acquire Bank of Ghana policy. Which, of course, in
that case, he doesn't need to go to Parliament.
Daddy, in Kiamrebia, but send your woman, yes, say, Oma for a buffalo, no ma bad the Jew or mine. Now, get suspected so many Ghana for a bit in here, no ma can't more much the Ghana for. And there was.
But is that not a very smart policy?
If you are chromophobia, can't it, you know, get your chromophobia to bottom me, or to bottom me, and you know, you're smart. Chromophobia is the action, the action on your smart. Foreign remittances, if you are near Scaffold, 7 years, can you? To see our butchery now, money, a brewawo, Mredane, and I'm a crewman. $100, sir. Or no, yes, can you? What you say?
Yeah.
But I buy it for you, Saka Crano, every in home.
So this is simple. Makache Ghana for say, our job is simple. It's to be gatekeepers, to clean the system, to block jandam. You saw these two people and one animal discussing Mr. Kokofu, Nana ya Brefo, and a chain dog discussing Ghana and Sem. And in Kofo it's na Facebook, na omo chatro, na omo edi adada nipa. Papa we Kokofu, na oye the head of Ekufu at the time, na on the head EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. Mekai pa okobo kronubi ena meka ho asem kwame plus na frame because oh me wo for Kokofu afre me say me na won kasa and I'm say no, that man is a thief. He's a criminal. Kwame Plus beka is asem we. I told Kwame Plus straightforward that Kokofu yewi the EPA na oto no wabokro no. I did a scandal on him, Kokofu. So these are people who are filthy liars. Now let us address the matter. Or say, and Ghana buying under NDC are buying Domahama buying. Oma introduce a new levy. Na new levy no ma introduce no. A buy no ede kokwasa eshe kukuom ena omo je 3% every Ghana ni bia obe sende sika ako Ghana ensem. That is what this man was saying in the presence of omo some journalists. Embrebi sa girl ya chimbo na ya be di ni to okrum ha wa wosa ponchin. No see why journalism a check. And journalism is basic research. And as a aponchin a chimbo na ka say hey, and there's anything na abine suspended transfers. This disgusting. Like vaguely the dada nipa a chatro. All because in their head, you know, say a catchy kasa obiya kwasia. So we can just lie, destroy people. Because the basic, the fundamentals, the ethics of journalism, you know, these people don't carry it. Omo ye years presenters and a small almost say monkotna radio, so they are empty. These are people I can sit in the room and teach. I'm telling you. Now let's go into the detail. as some more can almost say Bank of Ghana introduced some 3% levy be and the oye transfer echo a ye Ghana as Ghana ni outia bruchia you better 3% na abani a cromfo and a goat calling herself say or your journalist sit there and say oh an internet almost suspending money transfer like how low, how stupid can we be? Now look at this. This is CBG Tariff Guide 2024. Consolidated Bank of Ghana. Your BB Tariff Guide. And your Tariff Guide, it's about products or features. It entails a lot. It's got to do with the banking activities. Omo charges near the day. Every single transaction be omo yeso. And this document is public that anyone can pick and read. Now, my mention in 2024, my meeting can start in free. Senebea, you will understand what I'm talking about. In 2024, City News, a reportee, banks begin charging up to $20 as fees on foreign currency accounts. You see, in 2024, time and NPP were power. Banks in Ghana started charging $20 on omo foreign accounts. Omo di receive sika of Ghana. Foreign accounts say sika if you are bruchiri bar. The moment you are sent money from America, Europe, a remittance, a sika if you are manoni eba how it gets to you at the end of the day, a Ghana na year. That is what we call a foreign transaction, dia bro. So we receive sika through your momoa. It goes through your a system before that sika become on sa. So we receive sika every a receive every banker. It still goes through a system before you receive. All the way back in 2024, banks in Ghana were charging up to $20. Now let's go into the story. Some commercial banks have begun reintroducing charges on foreign exchange accounts after they suspend these fees. Now, so we read this story. This is what it says. Some commercial banks have begun introducing charges on foreign exchange accounts after they suspended these fees under regulatory pressure. A few banks have already communicated the decision via text message and email informing clients that the new charges have been effected. These fees will vary based on currency type and account balance, with some charges reaching up to $20. Look at the last paragraph. This is what it says. It says this. City Business News has gathered that some dollar account holders have been charged a $5 fee for balance exceeding $100. This is 2024 when MPP were in power. Now, these reintroduced charges are in addition to the existing 3% charge on withdrawals. I see these reintroduced charges, which was reintroduced in 2024, are in addition to the existing 3% charge on withdrawals. So the $20 now, I'm going to security say $100 in no bank, no, so be send away. There was already an existing charge of 3%. This is when the MPP were in power. This 3% is not new. I'll come to currently what is going on. It is when Jimmy Cra as a journalist, you step back and ask yourself, okay, was there anything like that? Were people being charged any levy when they were receiving monies from Europe, from America, in Ghana? Now, it will be recalled that some commercial banks began processes in July 2024 to close personal foreign currency savings accounts, asking clients with such account to hold their foreign currencies in an e-wallet or current account. Into banks, no crash started catching up clients and they say, you know something, this extra charge of $20 and the $20 will come in depending on the amount of money you are receiving. But the 3% tax na nasa levy on a static. Say, nya dollar, make Kevin Amitia, me send it $300 and not $10,000 to Obi or Ghana. Automatically, So okoyino bank from a foreign account, and say bank foreign dollar account more 3% charge. Now that's in 2024. Now hold that. Now, so me call bank when I say omunyi sikane mame in dollar. What is going to happen? And they say that 3% charge, it applies. This is 2024. So me call bank when I say dollar na Kevin Taylor they are sending me no. Mon for mame in Ghanaian cedis, that 3% does not take effect. So the 3% that existed under NPP, it took effect depending on the person coming, or it activates depending on the person coming to the counter to claim the money. Are you claiming the money in dollars, hard currency, which in Ghana we don't basically eat dollars or spend dollars? You are going to pay the 3% levy. If you say give me the dollar equivalent in cedis, then it means that 3% levy, you escape it. Now, why did the NPP government do that? Why did the Bank of Ghana such a policy on the Toho? I'll show you. Now, it wasn't only CTFM that reported on this story. Mrs. I need a second story, Mrs. I'm sorry. Okay, so you want me to speak, Mrs. I need the Joy News story. Because I want to show the two stories before I move on to the document itself. I think I missed one of the publications, the Joy News story. Because I will say, we need to try and educate Ghanaians at Toronto Dawson. And these people, and it's not like deliberate. But you see, I'm bet na TV so say and almost say and the Bank of Ghana under Ekufuado. Mr. It's okay. I have the video. It's okay. Under Ekufuado. Yeah, from Joy. I think it was part of the when we're having the meeting. It came up, right? Mr. P. So pull that one for me. Now, bet na show no so no. The no person create impression no person creating and say NDC aban akofa levy biaba. Na sa levy na NDC aban de aba no. Omo di wia Ghana fo a yes send omo sika fra brochira omo kwa akoyi sika no. Now they were not even specific about sika no because this 3% levy no, it wasn't hidden. It was something everybody knew. So send you sika fra brochira as a businessman or whatever now we bank say o kwa akoyi sika na. That's all $1 you have to pay 3%. So when you don't pay the 3% on that money that you are receiving. So how do you sit on TV and vaguely say aban area Ghana for? Now the reason why Intia Omoka say aban way area Ghana for was because of this. Now let's listen to the governor of Bank of Ghana.
In compliance with guidelines issued by the Bank of Ghana, the charge applies to withdrawals made from foreign currency accounts that were funded through transfers or check deposits. However, accounts topped up with cash deposits are exempt from the new levy. Industry analysts say the move is part of efforts by the central bank to manage foreign exchange liquidity, discourage speculative demand, and promote cash-based deposits. The new policy is expected to affect businesses and individuals who rely heavily on forex transfers and check deposits, particularly importers, exporters, and professionals receiving international remittances. Customers seeking clarification have been encouraged to contact their banks directly for more information.
So this is when the NDC came into office. Now, the 3% has been moved to 5%. The 3% na a levy da omukoyi dollar. If you dollar account someone person will be in the city, sir. 3% no. The NDC government, when they came to office, they moved it from 3% to 5%. Why? Because the NDC government came in office to tell Ghana for say we cannot allow the Ghanaian market to be saturated. We don't expect to say your system no, you'll be pumping too much dollar in the system. Abra ye these cities. So it was one of the measures now the governor or the Bank of Ghana was putting in place to make sure say the influx of dollar into the system, the raw cash in the system, no, they limit it because the moment you allow too much dollar, no, there's a reason why people want to have physical dollar in the system. The reason is that they want to hoard. Now, when they hoard, they wait for the dollar at the end of the day to appreciate. And then when the dollar appreciates, then they get value for that dollar they are hoarding. Now, the moment they do that, it weakens the cedi. The moment they do that, Ghana, our reserve struggles. There's a lot of pressure on our reserves. So the Bank of Ghana, in their wisdom, they said they were going to make it tighter. It will not be people will not be interested in going to the bank to say, my dollar account, $10,000 give me $10,000 in dollar. No. Now, if you are going to take $10,000, now 5% levy or so. Near catch say $10,000 in Ghanaian cedi. As a businessman, because you want to make profit, you are not going to take $8,000. You rather take $10,000 in cedi equivalent. Because as we speak, the cedi is strong. And that when you go take cedi equivalent to dollar, at the end of the day, you are rather making our economy stronger. It was part of the measures the Bank of Ghana is putting in place to tighten the system. People will not fill the system with so much dollar because we live in Ghana. Why should we be doing business with cities? We live in Ghana. Why should we be doing business in cities? Now, when you go back a little bit to 2024, Omwangasa Jandam News Network, Joy News, they reported on this matter when the NPP were in power. When the 3% levy was put in place. Now, they are trying to create the impression, say, adifufrobie siebin sida inti Ghana buying a cromfo, and this are buying a cromfo, and this are buying Riesika, and these are people who call themselves say, omuye intellectuals, omuye journalists. They are not. Now in 2024, this was the reporter, Omwankasa NPP Jandam News Network, Joy News, a report here. NPP were in power then. This is 2024.
Especially on the sectors we're touching on today. We'll be moving to the banking sector shortly, and we'll delve into the cocoa sector to assess the current trend based on information supplied by Cocoa Board that there's going to be an increase in the next 2024-2025 cocoa season of about 45% increase in farm gate price. We'll assess it, assess the impact, and also get to you with the various challenges affecting the sector. Now, I'm sure many of you who own foreign accounts saw text messages or probably did not see text message nonetheless, but experienced some amount of $20 being charged on for just owning the account, and also some conversation has come back to life. We're moving straight to the conversation to assess what it means basically for account holders. I'm here with Caleb, and also we'll be joined on Zoom by Kofi Ejay, who will give us up-to-date information on this particular conversation as well. Kofi, it's good to see you.
Good to see you guys, Winston and Caleb.
Great, great. Now let's move back to the slides and see. As you can see, charges on foreign account currency being $20. Let me get Caleb. What led to this particular directive, basically?
Yeah, so the Bank of Ghana has introduced a new directive, and they are telling, if you can go to the next slide, they are telling banks that they should increase their foreign reserves in cedis, which means that the foreign reserve the banks have, they should convert most of it into cedis and keep that. So now this has increased the operational cost for banks, which means that any foreign currency they have to convert it to cedis. And you know the main problem here is our exchange rate, because when you're converting it back into the foreign currency, you might have a haircut or you might receive some potential losses. So now the banks are trying to mitigate that loss by charging account holders some fees, so that if they are converting the cedis back to their foreign currency, they don't have to hold too much. They don't have to take too much loss. Yeah.
Already the banks have experienced a lot of turmoil for the past 7 years. Banks have seen banking sector clear up. They've experienced the shortcut. They've experienced. It's as if the focus has always been on the banks, which has been the fulcrum of our financial sector. Kofi Ejay, if you're listening, especially on the sectors we're touching on today, we'll be moving to the banking sector shortly, and we'll delve into the cocoa sector to assess the current...
So it was easy. So $20 now, reporting in 2024, no, it was simple. In cities, no, the banks will not make losses, no. You charge you $20. Now, so in dollar, not even the bank basically is shorter. That $20 will come and do that, fill that gap. And this thing they are talking about, and you new, it has been there. the NDC government is rather tightening it more and making sure, say, amount for be and take advantage of the system and make sure, say, our dollar weakens further. It is for these people. Recently, this is what the governor said. And saying, this is 2025. Cedi at 60. You know, say Ghana cedi. Since they introduced cedi as our official currency, it is 60 years now. The governor was saying Bank of Ghana targets end to dollarization challenge in Ghana. The Bank of Ghana under a CMA deputy person say, almost said the country at a point, every single money spent in Ghana should be cedi. Dollar be a bedroom Ghana biano, it ends up at the federal bank or ends up at the bank. It does not go into the system. And the only way that you can do that is to make sure, say, people when they try to take dollar out, it becomes difficult. And because it becomes painful or it becomes a loss to them. All that they have to do is to force them to be using the cedi to be doing business. Inti kokofunko siadia ojina hoka a minyaba nana ya Brefo enkenkan a ontumi research a ohyedemu ehwe a odwan weti ho aka nanim odi painter ye nanim ti no. It is the level of the deliberate misinformation atro jandam. And these people want to win power for MPP. How? Then if you envy me, why do you envy me? My job here is to tell the people the truth. One thing I have told myself, nobody. Into today, when there is a 5% levy, say NDC are buying by 3%, why in a 5%? The NDC government, they are trying to make sure, say, some kwasia dollar na ni pebi edge edeba system nimu edi suppress cedi no, it's no more going to happen. And into the end more dollar no ewa 10 no. Because there are people in the system chance they will call the dollar, they will keep it at home and they will sit on it and make sure say cedi no be suppress no ho, cedi no be bre. Now no more be $10 na ma edi in Ghana for, and that is what the Bank of Ghana is preventing. Into dena in kofo etumi say political shows, so and these are statements they are making.
When him say the no can say Bank of Ghana at the new levy aba.
Okay.
If you are don't money me otina. Now the true me dollar account to me Ghana. Now me could year make we at 3% of that. Are you aware?
3% of Sikan on all foreign remittances.
Exactly.
Wow.
3%. No, we say foreign remittances no a dorsal. Into a better gate no. Obeje. Why no could
look at this. Janway, what painted him said, or the galam saying soon a jari. Only confidence crumple in herself. Say oba. We painted him as a galam saying so, or say good chance no near boom no better Facebook say or a journalist. BB way. O man in so on nim Facebook. Na you ni nipa bind your tia, obejane, obeton wudem se kusie. Inferiority complex. They cannot even be themselves as human beings. So oba. Now, if you don't even believe in yourself and how you look, how can you convince somebody to believe in what is in your head? If you are not even bold enough to sit on TV and say, if you don't even have belief in yourself, why do you expect people like in Nansa Former Ghana to believe you? Because you yourself, you don't even believe who you are. And these are the people, confused creatures, despicable diseases. And yeah, Yana say, I'm a friendly pem. And that is the damage they are doing to Ghanaians. Kokofu di ono, or pejinia ono, or menopause. Kokofu no onye mentally, onye stable, until me person spend the time on. And anytime I show me near bear, and I buy Brefo a lot of respect. Because me, I'm daring. I'm very daring. And I respect people. I have a very terrible side. When I try to show it, it does not end good. In the West Stadium, I've shown her a lot of respect. And that is what is happening today. Some person would die down Kofua, Nayam Penimoa, Nambufu. Mutna Facebook, muchatro. Kwame despite who the Nupanisika Yentra. And I'm kwasiasam and ekoswo. Facebook. Inti Jandam way is dead. The policy has been in existence for under Ekufuado, MPP Abresone Oho. This government is making more tighter. Ote Ghana odi dollar eden. Eden na ote Ghana opeso odi dollar eden. Ghana cedi na oho no adia. Ghana cedi no enyesika. Why don't you want to spend Ghana cedis? Why do you need dollar? Me ba America, me who say obi aba America kroma ADC di wahada. Obi obe America be per dollar. So why should you go to Ghana and be looking for dollar in the market? No, it's not supposed to be like that. Kokofu Jimmy was also a general secretary of MPP. Such a despicable old man. Ne tosu so. Papa Peginia, Jim Fiew, Obekano Creno. Why on when say Pentecost for Emma Pes at a better TV so Eke Kamkwasi some Adanya, Opese MPP a trophy part where Yati annex, you know, Opese power. Now open you so when you nyansa. Enya no kure na woka otina environmental protection agency ehwini kuro no a oboye na hwini asia tena so eto de skate betina keka nkwasi asem okokan so wedi panyini atam we ni panyini no ene dian. Now let's go to the next jandam. Na me kill the next jandam kokofu na hwini sakuraba. Now jandam second we are killing this Friday night. Mrs. Should we move on? Yes, so my team said, member the Bank of Ghana governor, the interviewer or having or IMF, very short one.
The post-COVID economic crisis plunged Ghana into severe distress, prompting the government to seek support through the IMF's $3 billion extended credit facility. As the program nears completion, Governor of the Central Bank of Ghana, Dr. Johnson Isiama, says the worst is over and that Ghana is firmly on the path towards recovery and stability.
I'm happy to say that 8 months down the road, we have turned the corner. Ghana is back. Inflation, we met it at nearly 24%. Currently, it's down to 9.4%. We have seen a strong rebound in growth. We are running ahead of program targets for the year on almost everything. You name it, inflation, reserves build up, economic growth, we are running ahead. And we are happy to announce that we will be able to exit the fund program come next year.
He recounted how wicked adherence to the Bank of Ghana's independence disrupted its balance sheets and warned that domestic debt restructuring must not happen again.
The kind of experience we have had has been significant. It should never happen again. When I cast my mind back in 2022, it's something we could have avoided. I'm at a loss as to how we allowed that to happen. But going forward, we are trying to build back better. Over the past 8 months, we've had to make changes to the legislation. Legislation to strengthen our independence. For example, when it comes to exposures to government or central bank financing, we are taking all that out.
Looking ahead, Dr. Johnson Isiama says the BOG is well positioned to manage emerging challenges and implement key recommendations to ensure stability beyond the IMF program.
The next thing is to have a central bank that is agile, a central bank that is ready and able to contend with the new challenges that most central banks face. What I want to see is a central bank that is ready and able to adapt.
A tighter monetary policy stance, responsible governance, and adaptive policies remain central to the Bank of Ghana's long-term strategy towards economic recovery. For GH1 News and Star FM, Emmanuel Ejabin, Washington.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel, from GH1, all the way from Washington, D.C. A tighter monetary policy. And the Bank of Ghana governor, where is the one on the lighter side? We say, Omobedi vice president, you could see very presidential. Maybe I'm not saying it, I'm just saying it. But you could see the presentation. He's a very, very fit guy. I just say his demeanor is very, very solid. And but hey, you never know. But you can see clearly that policies are being put, things are being done, and things are changing. We can all see the indications and indicators. So right now, TV so chatro say aban ni wiawo and ye send sika firi abrochira na kwase ampa yi biti ho eni nti na mo stop money transfer no enkwase asem nko a otia omo a yentia because omo professional job in America and say ye be bo jantra na ye de nya paper eno an omo job omo ti asase we so me mpese me ye dirty on say massacre wo na nsia be 4-5 days me ko be malam bi ho Nigeria malam awo na ye nyoma mama me ba ya wo say enhye wo hontimi nso to and am so malam Yakubu one kasa say to yiska o say sia Nigeria sika no o yi 50 million naira kra $300 into as ontimi nyi na say me ko me malam wo Nigeria am kan so say into how far no so Kevin bibia okay ba sort me am so una wo ye malam no una wotumi yiska o say sia metumi yi ba metumi 50 million naira messes na $300 into them am physical na me hu de meye. And we need to understand. Mama when atro to me my to me. Mr. B, Mr. S, me team no me fucking I'm very very fucking, but I'm going to call no problem. Hey team, if you do, I go end the production. Mama before me pong. I'm seeing the things they are sending on the system. Mr. B, be careful. Be careful. There's rice. There's goat. There's Jack Daniels. Everything is available to your on your side. What do you need again, Mr. P? Maintain, maintain, Mr. S. There's everything. There's gobe. There's jollof. There's everything. The fridge is packed. Why? What is your problem again? And you people are tormenting me. Let me do my show. My team, no, they are sending some message me. So this Jandam has been killed.